For joining in, General. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a very defining moment, a landmark moment. So how do you think, what is the importance of drones in the Indian air defense space? And how do you think it's going to change the landscape going forward?
The foundation of today's partnership was perhaps laid yesterday in some way by the CDS.
Absolutely.
And he said that you cannot win future wars with technology of the past.
Sure.
You need, if you have to win the future wars, you got to be ahead in the technological way. And he spoke about strategic independence.
Right.
This partnership gets that into place. Drones are a revolutionary change to the modern warfare.
Sure.
They have played a role and they'll continue to play a larger role. And this role is only going to increase because the emphasis is progressively now shifting from contact warfare to precision long-range strikes. We don't get into contact.
Sure.
It's very evident with the ongoing conflicts, what we see today. And we see very, very innovative way of utilization of drones. So what this partnership brings to the table is that we're going to be setting up an ecosystem.
All right.
The ecosystem is that we can innovate, we can design, we can come up with the disruptive mindsets. That's what is going to keep us ahead in the capability loop.
Right.
So I see it's a foundational. To me, this is foundational what we've been able to achieve because other partnerships that I see are more or less transactional.
All right.
You buy 3 or 4 products from us and we're done and dusted.
Sure.
So it's not 3 or 4 product based, it's a complete, comprehensive relationship.
Yes, absolutely. The made in India technology piece makes it all more relevant. So you're not dependent on the technology and your counterparts and your opposition doesn't know what your loopholes and gaps are.
Yeah, see what RRP also brings to table, the semiconductor manufacturing capability. Because if you're looking at total independence,
sure,
total Atmanirbharta as you call it comes through your chips,
absolutely,
microchips. If you can they're manufacturing chips here, and that's a fantastic combination.
Sure.
What this partnership brings together.
Excellent. Your final words for young Indians?
Young Indians are the future.
Yes.
Okay. We Indians, in a way, are hardworking, and majority of us are nationalists.
Sure, patriotic at heart.
Patriotic at heart. Whatever you say, they may be short-term, people may work on it, but every young Indian that I come across is patriotic in his heart.
Yes.
Okay, he's looking for opportunities.
Sure.
And I must compliment the national leadership today for creating this ecosystem where startups are beginning to do well. I do interact with young people who are in the IITs, who are in technical institutions. Each one comes up with innovative thoughts, and all it needs is a little bit of hand-holding. And I'm confident because as you go into future wars, you require disruptive mindsets.
Sure.
And I keep using the word disruptive because that's what will keep us ahead of the technology.
Exactly. That's a very much needed moment. Yeah. So you've led armies and battalions and commanded all over. So what's been your leadership mantra?
Pardon?
What's been your leadership mantra?
Leadership mantra, very interesting. Okay. I'll put it this way. You join as a young lieutenant.
Yes.
Okay. You work with your hands and legs. Okay. You do.
Yes, of course. The front rows and the fit-tos and all that.
That's what keeps you going.
Yeah.
The next stage begins to come when you start acting with your mind. You put your mind into place, and
yes,
that's where you begin to think and look ahead. But as you grow in your leadership years, as you like young lieutenant, captain, major, he is there to fight. He is there at the forefront. He fights the battles. When it comes to commanding officers, when it comes to brigade commanders, that's where the mind begins to play.
You're right.
You think, design, so that you minimize casualties and you achieve what you have. And to me, the higher leadership, you progress from your mind, your heart.
Okay. Yes.
What Raj also brought up today. Okay. In the higher leadership, you need to have, of course, the experience, what carries you the younger days. You add your scholarly values to it. And as you grow into the higher leadership, you bring your heart into it. And I'll qualify this, very simply. I use the word spiritual scholar warriors.
Okay.
Okay. We are warriors to start with.
Yes.
Okay. We add scholarly value to it.
Yes.
And then when we look at the spiritual value, it comes from the heart, it comes from the ethics.
Yes.
And that's what high leadership is all about. The spiritual scholar warriors.
So beautifully shared.
Thank you.
So a big salute to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking
God
to you.
bless.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.